So, if your mic is not working in Dota 2, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, first things first is you want to guarantee that your Steam settings are properly set up. So, to check that, you want to go to the top left here, go to Steam, and you want to go to Settings. Now, under Settings, you want to go ahead and go to the section at the left side here. You want to look for Voice. Now, inside Voice here, what you need to do is you want to go and look for the option that says Voice Input Device. Now, the default option or default setting that is set for voice input here is default. So whichever the mic your PC has by default, that's what's going to use. But if it's not properly set up, like for example, you want to use your dedicated microphone, well, you need to choose that microphone here. Like you also click on the start microphone test here to see if, or to hear specifically, if the device or you can hear yourself. Now, in here, you could also choose your output device and edit the input volume gain and output volume gain here. So in this case, this is your microphone, the input volume gain. So how loud are you going to be, or how quiet are you going to be with your microphone? And yeah, so once you've done that, that should solve the issue. But just in case, well, you could actually edit your default device as well in your PC. So to do that, what you need to do is you want to go and just go to search here. Just go and type in the file. It's going to be microphone, or you could go and just basically type in settings here. So that's going to be a lot easier. It's going to go to settings. Now from here, you want to go to system. Now you want to go to sound. And you just want to make sure that your input is set to the correct microphone that you want to use. So it's now the default device here. And also the volume, make sure it's not muted so that your friends or whoever you're playing with can actually hear you. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.